Hello again, day traders. Let me ask you a question. Are you really at peace when you trade? I remember my early years of trading. I just never felt like I had enough of what I needed, whether it was one more indicator, adjustment in settings, you name it. You know whether you're at peace when you trade or not. As a day trader, I would say a very high percentage of people that would watch this video would just say, no, man, I'm not. I feel like I just need one more indicator. I need some kind of adjustment to my settings. I'm just not at peace when I trade. If you'll just hang on to that question and that statement just for a minute and think about it. And if your answer is no, and that's going to be a very high percentage of you who are day traders, then I want to tell you there is a solution. Now, that solution didn't come cheap to me, and it won't come cheap to you, although you can move to the front of the class quickly if you have the right teacher and you have the right tools. And I struggled for a lot of years before I finally took training from a guy out of London who truly opened my eyes to what was going on in the market. Especially, I'm talking about the indices such as the S&P or the NASDAQ, Dow, Russell, whatever you want to trade, but the indices. And it took me a long time to come to the realization that it wasn't about another indicator. It wasn't about another, system, strategy, approach. It was none of that. It boiled down to having the right tools. And after nearly 30 years, that's how long I've been trading. I got started in 95. I realize it's a combination. Trading is kind of a bit of technical, fundamental, artsy, subjective. And if you were to come in my room now, you would probably call me gifted. And that's why I put the title, The Psychic Trader, on this video. Some of you will probably think I'm psychic, but I'm not, guys. It's from 30 years of trading, but it's also the fact that the tools that I use on my chart, and you will see, are phenomenal. Really top of the line, one of a kind, phenomenal. And that's why I feel like you also could come into the room and pretty quickly learn to be a top-notch, career-oriented trader. So there's probably no psychic traders out there, but you may think I'm a little psychic because to trade successfully, we're calling trades ahead of time, right? In day trading, that's what you do if you're really, really good. But you got to have the right tools to do that. So I want to encourage you to come into my room. It's a small price. Plus you get 160 plus some pages now of a manual. But it covers my tools, covers what you need to know as a professional trader, somebody who wants to make a living. And I encourage you to do that. So please ask yourself again, am I really at peace at what I'm doing trying to day trade? And if not, please visit my website, reddiamondtrader.com, reddiamondtrader.com, and see what I can offer you to change that. Alrighty, you guys have a good day.